Mahalakshmi, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the Milne's method. And Milne's, before going to that, this Milne's method we are in numerical method we are using, and in this method it is called as multi-step method. So why we call this one as multi-step method? Before that, we want to calculate. We need 4 period values. So these 4 values, if it is we are not having, means we want that using the single step methods like Taylor series Euler or modified Euler or Archimedes method. Using those 4 value methods, we can calculate the previous 4 values, and then we can move on to the Milne's Predictor-Corrector method. So firstly we can go for this method. So for the Milne's, what are the given values? Take all the given values, put one tabular column, write all the values. So first value is x naught. So first x naught is this y of 0 equal to 2. Write it as x naught value is 0 and y naught value is 2. And the second value, so x1. So x1, the second value, y of 0.2 equal to this one, 2.0. So x1 equal to 0.2 and y1 equal to 2.073. And the next value is y of 0.4 is given. That is x2 equal to 0.4 and y2 equal to 2.452. And the third value, next value is y of 0.6. So y of 0.6, x3 is equal to 0.6 and y3 equal to 3.023. And we want to calculate this x4. So the x4, that means 0.8. Okay. We want to calculate this y4 value. Okay. So from this, what is the x0, x1, x2, x3, as well as the y0, y1, y2, y3, whatever it is, we can get it from this table easily. So our given function is y dash equal to x cube plus y. Also with the difference h equal to 0.2. As well as we can get it from this table, the second value minus first value, second value minus first value, the difference is 0.2 only. So even though they are not given, we can calculate this h value as 0.2. And then we can move on to this Milne's Predictor-Corrector formula. So first thing, yn plus 1 comma p. We can write the predictor formula, which is equal to yn minus 3 plus 4h divided by 3 and 2 times yn minus 2 dash and minus yn minus 1 dash plus 2 times yn dash. So in this, nothing it is, start with, for the predictor formula, start with n minus 3, n minus 2, n minus 1, n. And inside this bracket alone having the derivative, outside no derivatives are. And also 4 by 3 h. Okay. So this is the difference between predictor and corrector. And in this, here the formula is for n plus 1. So we want to calculate this y4. So this y4 we can write it as y3 plus 1 comma p. So from this n value is 3. Substitute n value as 3. So you get 3 minus 3 y0 plus 4h divided by 3 and 2 times y3 minus 2, that is y1 dash minus 3 minus 1 is 2. So y2 dash plus 2 times y3 dash. So this is the formula we want to calculate. In this formula, we know what is y0, but we don't know y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash. So these 3 values we are going to calculate and replace in this formula. So note it as equation number 1. Next, I am going to calculate these 3 values. So what is the original function is y dash equal to x power 3 plus y. In this, first we want to calculate y1. So replace by 1 for each and every value. So in this, so x1 equal to, what is x1? Take it from this table. So 0.2 the whole square plus y1. The corresponding y1 value is 2.073. So the conclusion for this term is 2.081. Okay. So this is the y1 dash value. And then y2 dash. So y2, again we write this formula x cube plus y. Next we want to calculate this y2 value. So put y2 for all the terms. So and x square. So x2 value is 0.4. So 0.4 to the power 3 plus corresponding y2 is 2.452. So which is equal to, using calculator we get the solution for 2.516 as y2 dash. Next we move on to that. Again you write this formula, y dash equal to x power 3 plus y. This is a given function. Next we want to calculate y3. So put 3 in each and every term. Then you can replace x3 and y3. So x3 is 0.6 to the power 3 plus y3 is 3.023. So from this you can get the y3 dash value as 3.239. So we got all the three values. Now we can replace in this predictor formula. So the equation number 1 implies y4 comma p. That is the predictor formula. That y0 value is, what is our y0 value? This y0 is 2 plus, and then next formula 4 into 0.2 divided by 3 in bracket. Wherever the multiplication comes, put one bracket. 2 into y1 dash. Y1 dash is 2.081 minus, and y2 dash. That y2 dash is 2.516 plus 2 into y3 dash. That is 2 into 3.239. Okay. So multiply these three terms. So here also you want multiplication, you are having here 1, here 1. So all the multiplication do it and then add and subtract and you will get the answer for the predictor formula. So y4 comma p. Using calculator you will get the answer as 4.1664 as your predictor formula. Okay, next we move on to that. We want, in this predictor we got the value. So we are going to correct this value. So using corrector formula. So yn plus 1 comma c, which is equal to yn minus 1 plus h divided by 3 into yn minus 1 dash plus yn dash plus y here 4 yn dash plus and then yn plus 1 dash. And we can easily recall by this number. Here we start with n minus 3, but here we start with n minus 1. Immediately again inside bracket also you start with n minus 1. So n minus 1, n and then n plus 1. Here these two numbers 2 plus 2. These two corners are in the coefficient as 2. So 2 plus 2 you can get that 2 plus 2 4. That one will come in center, that single value. So this way you can recall this formula. Okay, so that the alternative side here all values getting the positive side. And one more thing, that 4h divided by 3 here simply h by 3. This is the formula difference between predictor and character. Now we can replace by this y4 comma c we need. So y3 plus 1 comma c. So here n value is 3. You can replace that value. n 3 minus 1, that is y2 plus h divided by 3 in bracket. 3 minus 1 is 2, so y dash plus 4, y3 dash plus y4 dash. Here the predictor value, y4 value already we got, but the derivative for this y4 dashes we are not derived. So I am going to derive that formula using y dash equal to x cube plus y. So here we need fourth value, so fourth value I am going to replace. So from this x4 is 0.8. So that value I am going to replace here. So 0.8 to the power 3 plus y4. Y4 means the predicted value only we are going to replace. That value is 4.1664. So substituting all those values we get that 4.6784. And we got the y4 dash value. Now we can replace in equation number 2, that is the corrected formula we can replace now. So y4 comma c, which is equal to, what is our y2 value is 2.452 plus H value is 0.2 divided by 3 in bracket y2 value. So y2 dash is, get it from here, 2.516 plus 4 times y3 dash, that is 4 into 3.23239 plus y4 dash is 4.6784. So multiply these terms and add all the values and then multiply with this and divided by 3. Also add with this and you will get the value of y4 comma c as 3.79536. So this is the answer for the corrected formula. This way we can predict and correct the values of these terms. Thank you.